Tada, it's for you. It's big.
Voor mij? Oh, yes, dankjewel.
There's more. Good morning sa inyong tanan and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sa mga gaps, for today's video, we are here in the living room, living area, and there is Chloe. And there is Eric and Rocky.
He pooped on my hand.
Ew! My God. It's a Merry Christmas for you from Rocky.
Rocky wil ook cadeautjes. Dat is cheese.
So, for today's video, we will open the
First.
present.
I think it was Mrs. Claus because she forgot her shoes.
We have shoes under the Christmas tree.
And the shoes is for Mama.
Yeah, is this my gift?
Yes.
Dankjewel.
Like it. I like it.
Sinterklaas.
Thank you, Christman. Christman? Christman!
Ik dacht dat papa zei Sinterklaas.
Ik zeg Christman.
Christmas.
Okay, we will first. Who wants first?
I don't know.
Okay. First is... Tada, it's for you. It's big. Ang laki naman yan.
Let me see
What
it.
is that?
It's Cath Filipina.
Wow. Nice. Zo, mooi hoor.
Wow, that's big. Do you like it? Yeah.
Goed zo.
Okay, next.
Next is
The blue one.
Voor mij? Oh, yes, dankjewel. Wow. Is het ook een katsaitas?
Maybe? So, yeah.
Wow, Feyenoord. Is dat hoodie of trui?
Je kan openmaken.
Openmaken dan.
Wauw. Wauw, mooi.
Hala, past dat op jou, honey?
Ja, hou eens vast. That's my team.
Yeah,
Feyenoord.
you like it.
Voetbal.
Mama.
Oy, is that for me?
Yeah.
Morgen meer cadeaus?
Oh, dat is de kaart.
Hoezo weet je het aan?
Garnier. Vitamin C serum. Yeah. This is what I want.
En dat is voor plakjes ook, pigment. Stains.
Yeah. I will use this in the day because and at night I have the other serum for night only. So
And that's the last one.
and then next is thank you Santa Claus.
Het is voor mij.
Yeah, that's for you.
Je zegt dat kan breken.
Yeah.
Maar je mag helemaal scheuren. In één keer. Doe
Eén
het,
keer.
één keer. Wat zeg je dan? Ben je blij?
Ja, dankjewel.
Nou, Sinterklaas goed gedaan. Sinterklaas?
Ja.
Wauw. Wat wou je dan?
Doe maar open.
Okay.
Yee, clickies. That's what you like. Yee. She always talk about it.
Misschien even een mesje opschaven.
Excited siya. Unless you cannot open. Maar gewoon kapot maken of zo. Ay, kom.
Is that klapbak?
Wow, dat past op jou. Precies.
Dankjewel, Sinterklaas.
Sinterklaas.
Sinterklaas. I don't know what I'm going to give him, so I decided to buy that instead. Because that's his favorite thing.
En ik heb ook een epic.
Oh. Here are some surprise.
Okay. Maar ik heb wel schaar nodig.
So, these are the kuan mga gops. Clickies keyboard.
Oké, welke epic? Nog een epic.
Epic. Wil je dat? Banda epic.
Oké, geen nog meer.
We got epic. Ah, inanda niya. What do you...
Hetzelfde. Kijk, ik heb deze al.
Oh. Je kan ook toch met iemand ruilen.
Ik kan eentje ruilen met iemand. Deze 4 zijn de legendaries. Deze zijn de epics. En deze zijn allemaal common. Deze ook. En deze zijn de exclusive. Deze is ook echt heel schattig.
Cute.
Deze hier. Oké. Deze wordt hier.
Sana all. There's more. I know what this is. Huh? Yeah. I know what this is. Ta-da! Ooh. Yari, rosemary, and batana oil. Batana oil. This for the hair. You get a gezond, healthy, and more hair.
Then I can use it.
Yeah.
Heb je voor mij gekocht?
This for me. I will use here because kijk. Yeah? Okay.
Het is duur allemaal in.
Good.
Products.
That's why.
Het is cadeautje.
That's why when you ask me, what do you want, honey? Well, send me a wish list, and I'm about to buy that. This product, and I was thinking, oh,
Wait a minute.
it's a little bit pricey, so maybe.
Ask my husband.
Maybe Santa Claus will buy it for me. So I sent the wish list to Eric. Because he also keeps asking, oh, what do you want? I don't know what you want, honey. For Christmas. And And I also don't know. And actually, he already bought this camera for me. So,
For you.
yeah, and I'm thinking, okay, it doesn't matter if I get or something or not because I already got camera.
Er was nog een kaartje.
So, yun na lang yung pang skincare. Charot. Pang skincare na lang.
Van de buren.
Huh?
333.
Oh, nee.
Heb jij ook gereden?
Huh?
Had je een ook kaartje?
Yeah, bijna iedereen here in the bird. We sent the card. Loh, si Chloe, oo. Uy, before you play, first, Prima, this one. How many clickies do you have now?
18.
Zo.
Wow. And it has how many? All clickies? How many?
70 kan je collecten.
Oh, 70.
Ik heb 18 van de 70.
She got 18 from 70 pieces clickies. You can collect 70 clickies. That's a lot of money, man. So expensive.
Maar als dat heel leuk.
Just buy the old keyboard of the computer. It's like that.
Wacht erop.
It also feels like this if you touch the. Hello mga guwaps! So nakatulog ako kanina mga guwaps. Kasi medyo masakit yung ulo ko. Siguro sa hangover. Charot. So ayan, mag-dinner kami. Wala kaming makain. So yung leftover na lang mga guwaps and yung leftovers na nasa freezer, yun na lang yung kakainin namin. And fried ako ng rice. And gumawa din ako nitong spicy cucumber. Pang Korean style. Chop. So nilagyan ko nitong gochujang.